Germany's going through a serious industrial crisis right now, and it's bigger than most people realize. More than 125,000 industrial jobs have been cut just this year, in 2025. And this isn't a temporary slowdown. It's a deep, structural problem hitting the core of Europe's biggest economy.
Yeah, I'm not sharing this to spread fear. It's just to keep everyone informed. A lot of people already know about this softly, but many still don't.
Let's look at where these job cuts are happening. The automotive and supplier sectors have been hit the hardest.
Volkswagen, 35,000. Mercedes-Benz, 40,000. Audi, 7,500. Ford and Saarlouis, 2,900. Daimler Truck, 5,000. ZF Group, 14,000. And Bosch, Continental, and Schaeffler together, another 7,000.
And it's not just the car industry. Thyssenkrupp, in the steel sector, 11,000 jobs gone. That's about 40% of its workforce. Deutsche Bahn and DB Cargo, 35,000. Deutsche Post, 8,000. Commerzbank, 3,900. Even SAP, Germany's leading tech company, 3,500.
So here's the big question. What happens next? A €500 billion investment in infrastructure sounds great, but it's not enough. Germany's facing a lot at once: the energy transition, deindustrialization, digital disruption, and global competition.
So, what do you think? What else should the German government do to stabilize and reinvent its industrial base?